Hello friends, happy Roop Chaudas. You'll be surprised why I'm saying Roop Chaudas. We also call it Narak Chaturdashi or Roop Chaudas. Narak Chaturdashi is called, there's a small story behind it, and same story is connected to Roop Chaudas also. This is a day when you can beautify yourself. Like Roop Chaudas or Narak Chaturdashi, if we say it starts on 19th October 11:41 p.m. and it will be there till 12:31 on 20th October. So if we say Choti Diwali, yes, 19th October evening you can light diyas and you can celebrate Choti Diwali, and this is done one day prior to main Diwali. So this will be done, and after this there is a ritual of Abhyang Snana that is done after seeing a moon. So this will be done on 20th October morning between 5:13 a.m. to 6:25 a.m. in Delhi. This is the Muhurat for Delhi. For other locations, you can watch on this screen what time you have to take Abhyang Snan. I'll tell you why it is taken and how it is to be done. This story is directly connected to Narak Chaturdashi as well as Abhyang Snana. It is said there was a demon called Narkasur, and he was troubling a lot to everybody. So Lord Krishna was to kill him, but this guy Narkasur had a blessing that only a female can kill him. So Krishna was not able to kill him alone. See, he was a god. If he wanted, he could do. But since he had the blessing that no men can kill him, only a woman can kill him. So what did Lord Krishna do? He took his wife Satyabhama along, and then he attacked on Narkasur and killed him with help of Satyabhama ji. So then they came. Then they came back from where. From there, he took out 16,100 queens of Narkasur, who had kept in exile with him. And this is what people say, na, Krishna got married to 16,100. So this is where it was done earlier. Any king who will go protect those females from that king, and those will be called that kings who has won that war. So since Lord Krishna won with help of Satyabhama ji, he came back with those queens. And Satyabhama ji, since she was feeling very dirty after the demon is killed, maybe some blood stains or whatever. So that day morning, like on 20th October morning, what ritual we are doing between 5:13 a.m. to 6:25 a.m. in Delhi, and other locations timing is shared on the screen, so you can see it. And at that time, what we are supposed to do, first we see the moon, and then we apply sesame oil on our body. Like it's a massage kind of thing which is done on our body, and so that oil goes deep inside our body. After that, uptan is prepared. This is called Ayurveda uptan. You take some milk, besan, haldi, and chandan. Mix all these four things and make a uptan kind of thing. Apply it on your entire body and then take a bath. It is said any female who does it on this night, at the early morning of 20th, you will become more beautiful. So it will enhance your beauty. So get ready to glorify this Diwali. Happy Roop Chaudas again. Thank you.